I have spent years working with high voltage systems in nuclear power. If there is one thing I have learned, it is that technical data never lies. When you are looking at a ducted split heat pump, you are making a 10 to 15 year commitment to your home's infrastructure. Today, we are putting two heavy hitters in the ring, the Franklin GSZH5 and the Heil Ion 16 H5H6S. Both of these fall into the basic category, but don't let that label fool you. These are the workhorses of the industry. We start with the armor on these units, specifically the cabinet and coil protection. The Franklin GSZH5 comes equipped with a louvered coil guard. As a former electrician, I like steel between the environment and the sensitive copper fins. Louvered panels deflect hail and stray rocks from the lawnmower much better than a standard wire guard. On the other side, the Heil Ion 16 utilizes a wire guard. While it allows for great airflow, it leaves those aluminum fins exposed to the elements. If you have kids playing ball in the yard or live in a hail-prone area, that louvered cabinet on the Franklin is a significant advantage for long-term reliability. When we talk efficiency and tech, we are looking at the HSPF2 ratings. The Franklin GSZH5 delivers an HSPF2 of 7.8, while the Heil H5H6S delivers 8.1. On paper, the Heil is slightly more efficient at squeezing heat out of the cold air. However, the technology inside tells a deeper story. Both the Franklin GSZH5 and the Heil Ion 16 are single-stage systems. This means they use a standard scroll compressor and do not have two-speed or variable speed technology for the compressor or the fan. From an electrical perspective, these units will pull a high inrush current every time they kick on. They are always 100% on or 100% off. You won't find advanced airflow control here either, as neither model uses a variable speed condenser fan. It is simple, proven tech that is easy to repair. But you won't get that whisper quiet soft start found in premium tiers. Looking at the financial side, the market research shows the Franklin GSZH5 retails as equipment for roughly $2,347 to $4,193, depending on tonnage. The total installed price for a standard ducted heat pump typically ranges from $8,000 to $14,000. The Heil Ion 16 H5H6S is positioned at a higher price point. Equipment costs for the Ion series often range from $4,570 for a complete system. Installed costs typically fall between $6,500 and $9,000 for the unit alone, or up to $12,000 plus for a full premium installation. You are paying a premium for the Heil nameplate. Before we get to the final verdict, remember that even the best equipment will fail if you don't treat it right. You need to keep those coils clean. A dirty coil increases head pressure, which spikes your amp draw and fries your compressor terminals. Wash those coils out with a garden hose every spring. Just stay away from the high pressure settings so you don't fold the fins over. The warranty battle is where the data gets very specific. Both models offer a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. However, the Heil Ion 16 is backed by a 10-year, no-hassle replacement limited warranty. If the compressor or coil fails within the first decade, Heil provides a replacement unit. The Franklin GSZH5 offers a 1-year unit replacement warranty. If that compressor fails in the first year, Franklin gives you a whole new outdoor condenser. The verdict is clear. The Heil Ion 16 H5H6S is the winner. While the Franklin has the superior louvered cabinet and a 1-year replacement guarantee, the Heil wins on the strength of its long-term protection. A 10-year replacement warranty is the gold standard for homeowner peace of mind. For a homeowner's bottom line, the slight edge in efficiency and the massive decade-long safety net make the Heil the better long-term investment despite the wire guard. Shop like a pro and use the head-to-head tool on the HVAC for Beginners website to see how these stack up against the rest of the market.